aren't you looking for something that you can invest in other people that will be something that is helping them to live their legacy and not just leave a legacy? So, as a resource strategist, I'm always looking for great things to provide other people. And this is one of them. This is one of the latest books from Napoleon Hill. And it's amazing book, Adversity and Advantage. See, in every adversity is a seed of greater or equal opportunity. And we have certainly been through some adversity. But understand this, crisis is part of life. How you manage crisis is the part that will actually catapult you into your future or cause you to stay stagnant or immobilized in the now. And this actual book is achieving success in the face of challenges, right? The pages that I love and the way that it's structured that I absolutely love is it gives you wisdom to live by points, and it's an adversity and advantage section. Now on page 210, it's an amazing code of ethics. During this season in our life, there are some things that are going to be the thing that causes us to be totally different than others. And one of those things is our code of ethics. A code of ethics is going to separate you from being good to moving to great. So check out the book. Cause it to be something you do on your Black Friday to give to others, to cause them to move to their next level of success. This is Napoleon Hill, Adversity and Advantage. Make sure you not just put it on your list, but actually start sending them out now so people can finish this year strong. So call it a pre-Christmas, Black Friday kind of thing, okay? Because you care about them. And of course, you should have your own copy. I'm just saying, make a difference by tapping into the thing that could actually change everything. And the principles, remember, principles are something that you don't necessarily have to believe in, but when you use them, they work. Principles work. They're like gravity. They just work. So get the book. Get it now.